Ow! Ow!
Just hold it over here. Give me the bottom.
Let go. Ow! Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. And I say another video because this is like the third video I've tried making, even though it's my first video on the channel. Today I came out here trying to catch some bass, and I didn't catch any bass because the bite's hard right now. So we are going to try something different. I went and bought a tiny bait. I'm going to walk right down here and try to catch some panfish or crappie. I've never fished with a bait this small, but I want to catch something, so let's try it. So I have this tied up on my little Shakespeare ugly stick rod. I want to put a little bitty bobber at the top at first because it's really rocky down here. So I don't want to get hung up because I only got 2 of these hooks. I've never really fished with a bait this small. Oh, got one! First cast. Heck yeah. First cast on that little bitty one. It's a pumpkin seed. No! See you later. I was going to show you, but it jumped out of my hands. No way that I got a bite on the first cast with this little guy. That's crazy. Let's see if we can catch another one. It scared me when it hit. Came out of nowhere. That's how you scare the fish away. Might need to go a little bit deeper. That one came right off the bank. I'm gonna go a little bit deeper. It's really hot today. Make sure this is still recording. Courtney's over there hung. I think she took the good spot. That's the only shade right now. So I think the fish will be over there. Oh, got another one. Woo! There's another pumpkin seed. This time I'm gonna hold on to it. It's tiny. You're not going anywhere this time, little fishy. It's called a pumpkin seed. Get out of here, little guy. I cannot believe I've caught 2 fish on this little bitty swim. I don't even know if it's a swim bait because there's no action in the water that I can see. But the fish love it. Cast it on this side. Oh, I think I just got a bite. Can we get another one? I'm just bringing it in real slow. What I'm doing is I bring the bobber in and let the bait fall under the bobber. It's worked the last 2 times. Let's go out here where it's a little bit deeper. If the bass ain't biting, the panfish always bite. So if you just want to catch something, just throw something out there for bluegill or red ear sunfish or something. It doesn't even have to be expensive. Like this rod costs like $12. And I probably caught more fish on this rod than my big rod. Oh! I jerked it too hard. I got excited. I ripped it completely out of its mouth. Now I'm fishing pretty deep. I mean, that's probably 3 foot because the sun's just beaming down right now. And it is hot. Got another one. Another pumpkin seed. No bluegill yet. Calm down, little guy. Oh, did you see that catch? Oh, these little guys are slippery. There you go. See you later, little guy. Hey, here's you a crawfish. Babe, here's you a crawfish. It's not even in the water. Here's you a crawfish that's not in the water. Hurry. Here. Here. Hold this. Oh, it's in the water now. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. Ow! 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 Ow!
Just hold it over here. Hand me the body.
Let go. Ow! Ow, that hurt. Little crawfish.
Okay, hold them upside down.
Why? What are you going to do with
I
it?
don't want them to pinch me.
Are you going to fish with it?
Turn it around, yeah.
We don't have rubber bands. So you want to pinch me?
Oh, wait. Let me.
Oh, it's
Those are
got little
babies.
babies. It's got little babies on it, so we're going to leave it. So overall, I think the little swim bait thing did pretty good, considering it's 85 degrees out here, and I still caught 4 fish. I want to try it more. Maybe, I don't know when, but we'll definitely come back to that. And like I said, this is my first video, so if you guys liked it, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like the video. It just helps me, you know, makes me feel more confident in making these. But I will see you next time.